Hello students, welcome to all of you Shiksha 360, and for all classes you can basically for ABM, BFM and retail you can join. Clear? And our telegram group is this one CAIIB22. Clear? So let's start our session, and today we will discuss one case study, that is case study basically number 17, and that case study is basically based on Compa Ratio. Clear? Compa Ratio, this is basically one of the important concept of our chapter number 23. Clear? Rewards. This is basically chapter number 23 in the HR ABM module C. Clear? ABM module C. Clear? So let's move towards the case study. Clear? What the case says that? Clear? Basically, suppose our market comparison salaries. Clear? What the case says that? Basically, suppose our market comparison salaries basically per year for a retail manager. Clear? Are given as basically lowest salary they given as basically 80,500, and highest salary basically they have given as 1,20,300. And one more information they have given that basically if the three managers basically A, B, C, and how much A earn basically 89,000, and how much B earn basically 1,02,000, and how much C earn is 1,18,000 per year. Clear? So first one, based on the above data, clear, the market range midpoint is clear. The market rate midpoint is clear. So first question here will be right. Market range midpoint is clear. And before discussing towards this question, we are also don't have much information regarding what is Compa Ratio. Clear? What is Compa Ratio? Clear? So let's discuss before discussing towards this question, what is that ratio? Clear? And after that, I think all of you are able to understand these questions. Clear? So let's discuss basically, this is basically directly from the book. Compa Ratio. Clear? Basically, it is an additional tool over job evaluation. Clear? First question which they will ask in the examination, basically, Compa Ratio is under job evaluation or not? Yes, it is basically an additional tool over job evaluation. Clear? So what it means that Compa Ratio, it is basically defined as the percentage obtained by dividing the actual salary paid to the employee by the midpoint of the salary. Clear? Basically, how we can obtain Compa Ratio? Compa Ratio is basically defined as the percentage obtained by dividing the actual salary, obtained by dividing the actual salary paid to the employee by the midpoint of the salary range for that position. Clear? We can say that Compa Ratio is equal to actual salary upon midpoint of pay range into 100. So what is the objective of this? Basically, objective is basically pay raise, promotion and merit pay. Clear? So what is the objective of this? Basically, pay raise, promotion and merit pay. Clear? For example, if the individual component, if the individual's Compa Ratio is 100%, clear, if the individual Compa Ratio is 100%, and one thing I will tell you, it is less than 100%, 100% or even more than 100%. Clear? We have to discuss all these cases, what is the meaning of that also. Clear? If the individual Compa Ratio is 100%, then the individual is already being paid what a competent performer will be. Clear? If it is 100%, then the individual is already being paid what a competent performer would be. Clear? So following it is an example basically which demonstrates how to calculate an individual employee Compa Ratio. Clear? So now let's discuss basically how we can calculate individual employee Compa Ratio. Clear? So let's say that the market pay range. Clear? Let's say that the market pay range, basically what is the market pay range for the average receptionist position is between 20,000 and 28,000. Clear? So what is between basically lowest it is to be 20,000 and highest it is to be basically 28,000. Clear? Per year. So what is the midpoint? Midpoint basically we can calculate 20,000 plus 28,000 upon 2. Clear? So 48,000 by 2. It is to basically 24,000 per year. Clear? So basically with the midpoint of these two at basically 24,000 per year. Clear? If now we have to calculate Compa Ratio basically for 5 receptionists. Clear? If there are 5 actual receptionists who earn their respective salary basically 21,000, 23,000, 24,000, 26,000 and 28,000 per year, then the Compa Ratio basically for receptionist A 21,000 upon 24,000, it is basically 87.5%. For receptionist B, it is basically 95.8%. Receptionist C is basically 24 upon 24. Clear? This is A, this is B, this is for C, this is for D, this is for E. Clear? Hope all the points are clear to all of you. For receptionist A, 21,000 upon 24,000. This is average. it is to basically 87.5%. For receptionist B, 23,000 upon 24,000, this comes out to be 95.8%. For receptionist C, it comes out to be 100%. For receptionist D, it is basically more than 100%. 26,000 upon 24,000 into 100, it is basically 108.3%. And for receptionist E, basically 116.7%. Clear? For receptionist E, it is basically 116.7%. Clear? So there are only 5 zones. Clear? Basically in the Compa ratio, there are generally basically there are 5 zones. Each zone basically each associated with the predefined level of performance. Clear? Each zone basically associated with the predefined level of performance. Clear? So the 5 Compa ratio zones basically range from the lowest level. Clear? Basically it range from the lowest level basically for the new. It is basically this person basically he gets not proper salary. Clear? Not 100%. So basically we can say that this person is new, inexperienced incumbents, or unsatisfactorily performing incumbents through to the highest level. Clear? Reserved for those universally recognized at outstanding performance. Clear? We can say that this one is the outstanding performer. Clear? Outstanding performer. From the new experienced, new unexperienced to inexperienced to basically outstanding performers. So now let's discuss basically how this ratio is to be divided. So basically a broad definition of each zone is to be basically 80 to 87%. Clear? If the Compa ratio is between 80 to 87%, so then the person is to be new, inexperienced, or unsatisfactorily performing incumbents. Now basically in every there is basically gap of 7. Now next one is basically 88 to 95. Clear? Plus 7, 88 plus 7, it is to be 95. Clear? Okay. So basically now basically percentage or salary is increasing little bit from the midpoint range. Clear? So basically now the person is gaining experience with respect to the time. Clear? But not yet fully competent in the job. Clear? But not fully competent in the job. Clear? Next one is 96 to 103. Clear? 95 plus next one is 96 plus 7, it is 96 to 103. Clear? Fully competent performers performing the job as defined. Clear? Basically they will ask question from that also. Clear? We will discuss in case study also. Clear? Fully competent performers performing the job as defined. Clear? Next one basically 104 to 111, basically 111%. Clear? This is also 7, gap of 7. Basically those constantly performing. Clear? Basically they are those basically constantly performing at the job at a level higher than what the job definition requires. Clear? Basically at a little bit higher level. Clear? At a level higher than what the job definition requires. Clear? At a little bit level higher, basically what the job definition requires. Clear? Last one. Clear? Last one basically those universally recognized, or we can say the outstanding performers. Clear? Those universally recognized as outstanding performers, basically both inside and outside the organization. Clear? Both inside and outside the organization. Clear? So this is basically the definition of the each zone. Clear? Each zone. Now let's move towards the first question. Hope I think it is clear to all of you. Now basically very easy this question. Clear? Based on the above data, the market mid-range point is. Clear? So first question basically, what is the market mid-range point? Clear? Basically we can say that lowest salary plus highest salary by 2. Basically from range, so lowest is basically 80,500. Highest is to be 1,20,300 divided by 2. Clear? Lowest salary plus highest salary divided by 2. So what is the answer here? So what is the answer here? 80,500 plus 1,20,300. So I request to all of you, please take out your calculator and try to solve. Basically we will get here 1,04,000. Clear? 1,04,000. Clear? When we solve this. Clear? So this is our answer. Clear? So option number D is our answer. Clear? I hope this question is clear to all of you. Next, move towards the next question. So next question here basically, this is the same case. Based on the above data, basically which of the retail manager has the highest Compa? Clear? Which of the retail manager basically has the highest Compa? Clear? Here, as basically for the saving the time purpose. Clear? We can know that basically salary upon midpoint into 100. Clear? Because here this is also fixed, this is also fixed. Clear? The person who has highest salary, clear, the person who has highest salary has the highest compa. The person who has highest salary has the highest compa. Clear? Or the percentage. So basically the person who has the highest salary, basically A, B or C, among these, the manager C has the highest salary. So basically manager C has the highest compa. Clear? Manager C has the highest compa. Clear? Before even not any need to solve this question, basically directly we will move towards the C. Clear? Directly we will move towards the C. Clear? Now next move toward the next question. Basically on the above data, third question, basically based on the above data, which of the retail managers is getting salary above the market rate? Clear? Third question, basically we have to understand basically which of the managers basically getting salary above the market rate. Clear? Now basically from here we have to calculate the, basically we have to calculate the Compa ratio. Clear? Basically for understanding that, clear, above the market rate. Clear? Above the market rate. Clear? So let's try to solve that. Is basically what is the meaning of above the market rate? Clear? Below market rate, basically less than 100%. Below market rate. If it is 100%, then it is equal to market rate. And it is, if it is greater than 100%, so above market rate. Clear? Above market rate. Clear? So basically for a manager, basically 89,000 upon 1 lakh, sorry, 1 lakh 400. Clear? Upon 1 lakh 400. Clear? Upon 1 lakh 400. I will write here 89,000 upon 1 lakh 400 into 100. So how much A will get on here? Clear? How much A will on here? Basically we have to cancel these 2 zeros with these 2 zeros. So 890 upon 1004 into 100. So basically manager A will less than 100%, 88.64. Now how much manager B will? 102 upon 102 000 upon 100 400 into 100. 2 zeros cancel out. So 102 3 times 0 divided by 1004. So it comes out to basically 101.59. Clear? So basically if B gets above 100%, clear, so definitely C will get above 100%. Clear? So which of the following managers basically getting salary above market rate? So both B and C. Clear? Option number D is the answer. Basically both B and C. Clear? Why basically we will give the answer C even without calculating? Because if B gets above 100%, so definitely C will get also above the 100%. Clear? Above the 100%. Clear? So that is option number D is the answer. Now move towards question number D. Based on the above, which of the retail manager can be classified as fully competent performer performing the job as defined? Clear? Basically fully competent performer. We can say that basically fully competent performer, basically only those performers which are come under the 100 to 96 to 103. Clear? B is definitely come under that. Clear? Basically B is definitely come under that because B is getting the percentage basically 101 point. We have already calculated 0.59. Clear? But now we have to calculate the C also. Clear? How much C will get? So 118 upon in 000 upon 100 400 into 100. So basically 1180 divided by 1004 into 100. So basically C will get 117.52. Clear? Clear? That is basically outstanding performer. Clear? Not in the fully competent performer. Clear? So only B will be classified under the category of fully competent performer. So basically option number B is the answer. Clear? Manager B. This is the answer. So now we'll move toward the last question, basically question number 5. Basically suppose that is basically based on the above, which of the retail manager basically has the highest probability of leaving his office? Clear? Leaving his office, basically we can say that resigning from the office. Clear? So basically based on the above, basically which of the retail managers? Clear? Basically which of the retail managers has the highest probability? Clear? Basically has the highest probability of leaving the office. Clear? Basically that manager will leave that office basically who will not salary as per the market rate. Clear? Who will not get the salary as per the market rate. Clear? Basically from among the three, A, B and C, only the manager A. Clear? Basically only the manager A basically not getting the salary as per the market rate. Clear? Not getting the salary as the market rate. So basically manager A has the highest probability. Clear? Manager A basically has the highest probability of leaving his office. Clear? Manager A basically has the highest probability of leaving his office. Clear? So this is basically the simple case study, but you are able to answer this case study only if you are able to understand all the concepts. Clear? If you are able to all the concepts of the Compa ratio. Clear? That is basically only a theoretical half-page theory is given in the book, and you have to understand that. Clear? You have to understand that this is very good question in the form of case study if they will ask. Clear? So I request to all of you go through the video once again, and basically you have to basically remember this. Basically, what are the objectives of Compa ratio? Basically, for the pay raise, for the promotion, and for the merit pay. Clear? What are the objectives? Basically, for the pay raise, for the merit pay, and for the promotion. Clear? Basically, these are the objectives of the Compa ratio. Clear? Hope this case study helps you to understand this concept. Clear? So thanks to all of you for watching this video. And if you able to understand the concept, so I request all of you, please like the video and please share this video with your friends also. Clear? So thanks to all of you for watching this video.